Welcome to Future Insight, the channel where we dive into the thrilling possibilities of tomorrow and uncover how cutting-edge innovations are shaping the world we live in. Are you curious about how self-driving cars will revolutionize transportation, or how flying cars and Hyperloop systems will redefine speed and efficiency? Perhaps you're fascinated by the rise of electric vehicles, AI-driven traffic systems, or the futuristic promise of robotic deliveries and drones. Here at Future Insight, we explore the groundbreaking advancements in transportation technology, from autonomous vehicles to smart infrastructures that will create sustainable, efficient cities. Imagine a future where roads are congestion-free, with intelligent vehicles navigating seamlessly using AI and advanced sensors. Picture yourself in a flying car, soaring above bustling cityscapes, or zipping through Hyperloop tubes at unimaginable speeds. We also delve into the transformative power of renewable energy, empowering the vehicles of tomorrow, from electric cars with ultra-fast charging batteries to hydrogen-powered innovations. And let's not forget robotic systems, redefining how goods and aid are delivered across the globe. But it's not just about the technology. It's about how these changes will impact our lives, reshape our cities, and make transportation safer, greener, and more connected than ever before. So, if you're as excited as we are about the future of transportation and innovation, you're in the right place. Join us on this journey as we explore what's next for humanity. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Insight and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's build the future together. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the future. This is Future Insight, where tomorrow begins today.